How to make a tomato sandwich. Ingredients: 2 pieces of bread, butter or margarine, fillings, sliced tomato, extra things, lettuce, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, utensils, 1 knife, not too sharp, a board on the countertop to work on. Method: 1. Take 2 pieces of bread from the loaf. 2. Spread butter or margarine over both pieces of bread. 3. Place the tomato on 1 slice of the bread. 4. Spread mayonnaise on the other slice. 5. Add lettuce or other extras. 6. Sprinkle on salt and pepper. 7. Put the bread together. 8. Cut the sandwich into 2 pieces.